Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you just stumbled on this channel, you are most welcome. My name is Mosumala. This is a growing channel, and be kind enough to subscribe and click the notification bell so you would not miss any of my updates from me. So today I'm going to be doing reviews on some latest items that I just got, and the first item is this Morphe continuous setting mist. Fam, this setting mist is the truth. This setting mist is so nice. Like, I've been sleeping on this product for a very long time. I've heard about it, but I just didn't think it was going to be that fantastic, you know, especially for the price, because it's like, I think it's about $15. I don't care how heavy your face is. I don't care how much powder you have used on your face. I tell you, this setting spray is going to melt everything. Like, you will not even, I don't even understand the magic behind this. The other product that I'm really loving right now is this Candy Glow by Yanga. Guys, the glow that comes from this is, oh my god, and it is a Nigerian product. Let me show you an example. It's what I use today, by the way. Look at it, like see the small one that I'm using. I'm just going to be tapping it, and guys, can you see how intense it is? Like, this glow, I don't even understand the things that they put. It's the truth. It is so nice, very soft. What I like it is the powder is very soft. It is really beautiful. You know, there are some highlights that you use them on dark skin and you'll be like, but this one is very nice. Like, it is really nice. Also, what I'm loving right now is this Colourpop concealer. I don't know why I'm like the last person that is using this Colourpop. Well, I'm obviously not the last person, but this Colourpop, this concealer is nice. The undertone is so nice. The consistency is nice. The coverage is nice. Like, you know me, I'm Tat. We're like best friends. But I think I'm going to be using this for a very long time. Like, I don't even see myself, and to think it's even very cheap. I don't even see myself using that Tarte, because I swore by that Tarte, but this one is really nice. I used it for my under eye today, and I must confess it is really nice. No creases, like it just blends very well, and it's just very nice. Guys, this makeup wipe is very beautiful. I don't use the Clinique. I am using this one. I'm using this one because with just one wipe, it takes away all your makeup. I don't care the kind of colors you have used on your face. This thing just wipes it off at once. And that's it, guys. Those are my current favorite, like those 4 items. I'm loving them right now. Like, I hope you guys love this review. If you think there's anything you want me to check out, if you think there's anything you want me to try, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do that. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. I'm going to link you right here. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye, and stay beautiful.